That's okay, no. Okay, so see how her hair is matted up? Look at these, right? So what we're gonna do first is we are gonna take these out. And can you turn around for me? Because I wanna show you, y'all, I don't understand why it's in this spot, so forgive me. But I know this gotta be painful for her. Y'all, tell me why these extensions are here. That cannot feel good for her, okay? And she has had some of them rip out, y'all. This hurts my heart, and I know it hurts her scalp. So we are going to take these guys out. We are going to do blonding on her, make her nice and blonde for the summer. And then we're gonna install the Swan method using the patented method that I created that is dermatologist approved. I haven't told you guys that, so that's new. I actually have a client who has thin hair, and her dermatologist said, no extensions, no ma'am. Well, she said, you know what, I'm getting extensions anyway. She came to me, she did not tell me this, okay? And then she went to her dermatologist. Her dermatologist looked at the extensions and he said, I approve. So actually, I need to go get him on tape because that is huge for a dermatologist to approve my extensions, because my extensions are in such a little amount of the actual natural hair. It grows out beautifully. She should easily be able to go. Typically extensions 8 weeks. My method, Swan method, 10 to 13 weeks easily. So let's get this process started. Excited?
I'm super excited.
Love that. All right, we're gonna start off by taking off these extensions that just look super painful. I know she's wanting these out. Gosh, yesterday, the other day, I didn't even see these up here. So we're gonna let this solution just sit for just a couple minutes, and then I'm going to take these guys and kind of crack them a little bit, and then they'll just slide right out. We don't want to cause any damage to her hair, but I don't love the Ktips. I really don't. I feel like it's something that stylists do because it's easy to do, but it's never, in my opinion, I've never seen it do well on a client's hair. Like, they end up losing a lot of hair from them. Kind of break that apart, gently removing. There's one half, okay? There's the other half. Okay. All right, guys, so it took about an hour and a half or so, and we got all her Ktips out. So I just want to show you what her hair looks like right now. We're gonna go downstairs and do her color, and then we're gonna come back upstairs to install her extensions, okay? So I want you guys to look at all of this. It was a lot. It was a lot of work. We had 3 people taking out her extensions. She actually has really thick hair, but she's going for length today. We are gonna blonde her up, and I do want to show you, like, you know, there was some tension spots. It's really hard to find, but look at this tiny area here was caused from those extensions. So, you know, you guys have to be really careful. And we can tell this is not alopecia because it has red bumps on it. So we know that the hair was pulled out. This area was really matted, as you guys saw that with the Ktips. So we're gonna get her on the road to healthy hair. We're gonna do her blonde, make her the blonde that she wants, and then we're gonna go in with the Swan method. Let's go. Donuts, make me go nuts.
What it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see.
Alright, y'all, so this is why I can tell that she's never really been blonde because look at, she's processing right now, okay? And I did this part with spit on you. I can tell she's never been blonde because people have been taking her foils off way too quick because even this is lighter than what's over here right now. These are her ends, they should be the brightest. What? Yeah, they're not. So what I'm doing is I've done her foils and I've gone through every single one of these foils and I'm laying lightener on top. So now it's all going to be evened out and she's going to be a beautiful vanilla blonde with some dimension.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Are you ready?
Yes.
What?
Oh my gosh, it's so blonde and it's soaking wet.
No.
Oh my god.
You know. You about to be real
Yeah.
blonde. All right, let's dry her up and let's put some weave in her hair.
Let off her tour.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Alright guys, what's up? It has been quite a few hours, but we did it. We made her blonde and we gave her 26 inches of hair. Are you excited?
I love it.
You
I'm
love
so
it?
excited.
So something we learned today, like her hair was kind of goldy, and she never really got that blonde that she always wanted. And if you watch the whole process, you'll see that even when I went in to go highlight her roots, the ends were still really gold. And it's really because she wasn't lifted properly. We didn't use any toner today, nothing. We just used some purple shampoo, that's all she really needed. And then if you wanna turn around for me, we took out those Ktips that were super, they were tangly, well not tangly, they were dreaded a little bit at the top. They were giving her tension alopecia spots, so like we had to get rid of those, okay? So what I did was I installed 2 rows using the Swan method, my patented extension method that I created. And it is super duper seamless. Look at that, okay? That's 1 row, and then I've got a second row right here. And we did use 5 wefts on the bottom, and we used 4 wefts on the top. So total of 9 wefts of hair, which is a perfect amount for her length and the length that she wants. All right, excited?
I'm super excited.
Yay! Awesome. All right, girl, can you do it?
Of course.
Long day. I'm glad you love your hair.
I do.
And I will be giving you my phone number. So whenever my clients personally, when they see me, they get my personal direct number to keep in touch. If you know anything, God forbid, happens, they have my phone number. They can call me because hair is super duper important, and I don't fuck with that. Bye guys. If you're not following me, follow me on here, YouTube, and Leda, TikTok, Snapchat, and Instagram, Leda Fazal. All Leda Fazal. All right. Bye.